Hello, welcome. Thank you for clicking on that button to tune into my channel. I appreciate it. Today, we're going to do an elegant hairstyle for a night out or date night or night with friends or movies or work or being in the house. Anyways, it's a good way to style your hair when you have something to do or nothing to do at all. I've had this pineapple bun situation for about 6 days now, and my wash day is in a day or so, but I have somewhere to go tonight. So what I want to do is to refresh this amazingness right here and do a quick style so I can go out the door. Please tell me why I look like a rugrat. But that's not our hair. Anyways, let's get into it. Spray water, you know this, because we need to get that hydration back. So spray my scalp and my hair just a little bit to just, make it damp. Make it damp, make it damp, make it. I'm getting distracted. Let's do our first parting. Okay, I'm gonna see if I got that parting right. Close, but not quite, but close. It's not the cleanest part, but honestly, it'll have to do. I'm also glad that my hair is a teensy bitsy stretched, so it'll help our hairstyle. Let's add some oil. As usual, I'm using the rosemary mint oil from Mayel because it's so good. Just gonna massage that oil in my scalp. Then I'm gonna add some Manoi milk moisturizer. I'm using cream based and not a liquid leave-in conditioner because the hairstyle I'm doing would need to be just a little bit sleeked down and I don't want to have any residue. And then lastly, the love of my life, Design Essentials Curl Forming Custard. This thing is amazing. First thing I do is to finger detangle a little bit. And then go with the wide tooth comb ends first. And then go up. And then lastly, my detangling brush to just brush it in the direction I want it to go. And then I'm gonna secure that with a tiny rubber band. The key is to just go over my hair 3 times. So it's not too tight that it'll break my hair and it's not too loose at the same time. I'm just going to loosely twist this away while I do the front so it just doesn't get too dry. I'll unravel it in a bit. Okay, let's do the front. We're gonna have a bit of a center part. Center part isn't going all the way, but I'll show you why. So this is love. Okay, I'm gonna put this away as well so we can do the other side. Start from the same spot. And make a triangle. So let's put this away as well. We will come back to them. Water. Focusing on the roots. Oil. Moisturizer. Especially at the ends. Curl forming custard. I'm just gonna put a little bit of Shine and Jam. Use a rubber band to secure that in. Remember, not too tight. So the first thing I do is to twist the ends of the hair very loosely at the tip and then tuck it underneath. And I do the exact same from the one at the bottom as well, and then tuck it in the middle. Then I used 2 bobby pins to secure them in the middle from the right side and the left side. And that's it. Oh my god, this is so cute. One is coming down, one is going up. Bubbles. That's what it is. Bubbles. Afro bubbles. Okay, time for the front. We didn't forget about the front. This is something cute in front. I'm just going to do a horizontal line in the middle. We shall find out why in a minute. Look at that straight line. First attempt. I'm getting so good at parting. My parting game is on point. You guys, it's just practice. I've been practicing forever. Okay, so this I'm gonna put away. Go behind my ear, stay there, don't come out. Let's put you away, put you away, put you away. So we have this piece and we have this piece. We're going to use a rubber band to hold this side. Make sure it's in the middle of your triangle, okay? Okay, now that we have that, I will just twist this for a bit. Make sure you have 2 equal parts. Okay, watch closely, okay? Because even this is my first time of trying this, so. Okay. So I have these 2 pieces and I'm just going to grab a little bit from here, add to it, and we will continue by flat twisting, y'all. Yep. I love trying things for the first time. This is so cool. And then twist. Loosely this time around. Loose twist, loosey goosey. That's so funny. Okay, and twist and twist. Okay, let's do the other side. Then we twist. Twist. You know I love you, flat twist. Let me go get ready and I'll be back. And we're back. I love this look so much, but I feel like it needs something extra. These little accessories. I just need to add it to my ends. One of the reasons why I also did this protective style was to protect my ends, and I have protected my ends at the back. I just need to protect these 2 in front, so let's make it fun. So I will insert the first one. Oh my gosh, it just fits so perfect in that twist. Yo. Then for the ends, fold, and we're going to use a rubber band to secure. So it's not too tight. Oh, look at that beauty. So I use a little bit of edge control just to swoop my edges a little bit. Oh my gosh, the last time I swooped my edges was like months ago, so this is like interesting, but yeah, totally in love with this look. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm like, why didn't I do this on like really clean hair? That way I get to wear it for a week, because now I have to take it down in like 2 days. But it's definitely a hairstyle I'm going to recreate many times in many variations, because This is fire. You know the drill. Once I do a hairstyle that I really like, I don't know how to act anymore. Today is one of those days. Thank you so much for staying and watching my video. Oh my god. Okay, because I'm wearing a suit, I feel like all official and stuff. Okay, let me end this video like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell to get a notification for every time I post. This video is coming to you live from Khadijah with a H. Oh my god, I need to go out, but thank you. I love y'all. Bye.